Hey, what's up, guys? It's Steph, man. Back with another pickup. This time, man, something from PlayStation. Yet again, can't you tell by the setup? PlayStation Paladone light up alarm clock. If you got an iPhone, Android, smartwatch, whatever, you really don't need this. But if you want that nostalgic feel of that alarm clock, waking you up to gaming, then Paladone, our friends over at Paladone, repping the PlayStation light up lamp, is the way to go. Enough talking, man. Let's get into the features of this. Circle, X, square, triangle, the dial here, PlayStation emblem, light up alarm clock. And then where do we get this from? Not to be confused this time, guys. Let's get it right the first time. TJ Maxx. As you see, I got this for $8. I think the regular retail on this was $20 or something like that, $19.99, so same difference. But this is really cool, man. Comes with a lot of cool features, and by that I mean two, on and off. I mean, it's an alarm clock, guys. What do you really need from it? So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up, man, and get enough talking. Let's get straight into it. So got our alarm clock here. Go ahead. Really nice branding on this box, man. Again, this is our second thing from Paladone. I'll put the description right about there. Yep, let's get it. So let's go ahead and open this up. Again, this is a nice setup for your PlayStation gaming room or whatever. Some nice plastic protecting this. Oh man, this thing is bigger than expected. Okay. And it's nothing else inside the box, guys. As you can see, there's some plastic, a box. Throw this over here. No need to box some more literature. What does this tell us here? So it's pretty simple, but it's telling you how to use your alarm clock. I mean, I don't know how difficult it would be for you to use an alarm clock, but it's telling you how simple it is right here. So it has a lot of features here: alarm on and off, set an alarm, light on and off, and the time. Really easy, really simple to use. Enough with the literature. Let's go ahead and can that one for now. I thought that would be cool if it just dropped in there, but it didn't. Oh well. So let's go ahead and open this one up. This is a nice clock, man. Oh yeah, and it sets up. Yeah. It sets up really cool, man. This is really cool. I like this. Worth $8. I mean, the plastic on this, just being honest with you guys, is super duper cheap. Like, this feels like dollar store cheap. So I'm pretty sure if this falls off where my PS5 is, this will break, but I only spent $8. It's not that big of a deal. So let's look at the back here. Did they come with preset with batteries? Of course not. So let's go ahead and get our handy dandy tool, open this up, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, so we went ahead and put our AAA batteries in, 3 of them, and it automatically started off like ringing the alarm, right? So let's go ahead and talk about the features, man. Again, this is a clock. I set it for the time here. It's now 11:41. So here we go with that. On and off. There you go. And off. Just really simple, man. This is a really cool pickup for anybody there, any PlayStation lover in your life. It'll go really cool with your setup right there, all of your PlayStation stuff, and your controller. So this is a quick pickup from our friends over at Paladone. It's the alarm clock. So let's go ahead and, set the alarm. There we go. Again, man, this was a quick pickup, $8. Was it worth it? I would have really paid like $4 for this, but I paid $8 just to pick this up for you all. For the series, man, 20 for 20. It should be right about there. I messed up the name plenty of times, but oh well. But yeah, 20 for 20, $8. Worth it? Not really, but it's an alarm clock. So what else can I expect out of it, man? It's lit. So this has been it, man. The quick Paladone PlayStation alarm clock, on and off features. How cool is that? Until the next video, man, it's been Steph featuring Paladone and PlayStation light up alarm clock, man. To the next video, let's get it.